Hey everyone, compact desktops have advanced substantially in recent years, becoming smaller, more powerful, and much more economical, as seen by the FIREBAT A6 micro PC. This FIREBAT model is one of those uncommon discoveries that provides a significant amount of power in a very small, upgradable container. It is particularly alluring when there are special offers such as the Choice Day super discounts. The Ryzen 6800H CPU, a high-performance chip often seen in laptops and mobile workstations, sits at the core of the FIREBAT A6. Strong multimedia capabilities and moderate gaming are made possible by its integrated Radeon 680M GPU. Even though this isn't a full-fledged gaming setup, the built-in graphics can run more recent games like Indiana Jones at low settings in Full HD with playable frame rates, as well as older or less taxing games. The FIREBAT A6 has an appealing and useful design. With the exception of the front and bottom, it has a matte black plastic surface and plenty of vents for superior circulation. Additionally, the base contains rubber feet to raise the chassis and promote airflow. Users get immediate access to the internals after a simple disassembly that just involves removing one screw and a tab. There are two M.2 PCIe slots for SSDs and two DDR5 RAM slots, one of which is already filled. Despite being PCIe-based, both SSD ports seem to be restricted to Gen 3 speeds rather than the full Gen 4 bandwidth. Nevertheless, for the majority of workloads, these speeds remain outstanding, and there is ample opportunity to increase memory or storage in response to future requirements. Additionally, the system comes with a replacement Realtek M.2 Wi-Fi 6 card, which guarantees powerful, reliable connectivity and works well with contemporary mesh networks. The FIREBAT A6 has an outstanding port assortment: a 3.5mm headphone jack, two USB 3.0 Type-A ports, a USB-C port, and a power button with an integrated light are all located up front. Additional USB 3.0 Type-A ports, HDMI and DisplayPort video outputs, a 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet port, and a Kensington lock slot are located on the back. Excellent performance in daily use. Multitasking, office work, web browsing, and streaming videos, including 4K/.265, are all done with ease. Additionally, thermal control works incredibly well. The fans stay silent for the majority of jobs, and the cooling system maintains temperatures even while under stress. With over 8,300 in Geekbench multi-core tests and 24,200 in graphics-focused tests, benchmark results are impressive. PC Mark ratings attest to this machine's suitability for both work and play. The FIREBAT A6's ability to be upgraded is among its best features. It's simple to replace the Wi-Fi card and add more RAM or storage. For neat desk arrangements, it can be concealed behind a display thanks to its VESA mountability. The device is ready to use right out of the box thanks to included components including the HDMI cable, power adapter, screws, and instructions. To sum up, the FIREBAT A6 mini PC is a very effective and well-balanced little desktop. It is an almost ideal choice for power users, content makers, or even casual gamers on a budget because of its Ryzen 7680H processor, good RAM and storage combination, great networking, and low-noise thermal performance. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new mini PC? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.